today we're tackling affiliate marketing. And
Yeah.
it's a whole world out there. People see those links and think it's just about, recommending stuff.
Right.
But there's so much more to it.
Oh, absolutely. It's a whole ecosystem.
Exactly. And what I think a lot of people really want is like that roadmap to success.
Yeah. How do you make it work? Right.
Exactly. And that's what we're going deep on today.
That's it. And it's the perfect time because this whole affiliate thing is just exploding. So much potential out there. It's all about, I think, connection in this digital world.
It is. It's like being a digital matchmaker.
I love that.
Right? Connecting people with the perfect products or services and earning a little something along the way. So give us a real world example. What does this look like in action?
Okay, so imagine you're a food blogger.
Okay, yeah.
Got a great following. People love your recipes. You find this amazing new meal kit service.
Ooh, I love those.
Right. Makes life so much easier. So you sign up for their affiliate program, start featuring the kits in your recipes, blog posts, all that.
I get it.
And then when your readers click your unique link, maybe try it out, subscribe.
You get a commission.
Exactly. You're leveraging your platform, that trust you've built.
That's so smart. So there are a few ways to actually get paid, right? Like,
Yeah.
how does that whole commission thing work?
Yeah. A few models out there. You've got pay-per-click, kind of like a little reward for every click you send their way.
Okay.
Then there's pay-per-lead, where you're bringing in potential customers. They might not buy right away, but you're still getting something for that lead.
Yeah.
But the big one, the one people really aim for,
The big bucks.
right, is paper sale. You get a cut of the actual sale price.
I see.
And this is where things get a little more technical. We got to talk about cookie duration.
Cookie duration. Now, are we baking here? What's going on?
Not quite, though it does sound kind of delicious. Think of it like this. The cookie remembers that someone clicked your link. So let's say someone clicks your link for that meal kit, right? But they don't sign up right then and there.
Right. They need to think about
They
it.
need to think about it. Maybe they come back a week later and subscribe.
Okay.
But if the cookie duration is only 24 hours, you miss out.
Yeah.
You don't get credit for that sale.
Timing is everything.
It is.
I'm sold. I'm ready to be this digital matchmaker. Where do we even start? Like, first steps.
First things first, you got to find your niche.
Right.
But it's not just any old hobby, right? It's
Yeah.
got to be something with an audience ready to spend.
So passion meets profit. I like that.
Exactly. Think about it. What are people searching for? You can use keyword research tools to figure that out, or look at trending products on places like Amazon.
Makes sense. Okay, so I've got my niche. I'm passionate. I found that audience. I'm ready to make some money. How do I find those companies, those businesses that are looking for affiliates, those partnerships?
Great question. A lot of people start with those big affiliate networks.
Yeah.
They can be a good starting point, but honestly, sometimes going directly to the source is better.
Oh, interesting.
Especially if there's a company you really love, they have a strong presence online, fit your niche perfectly.
Yeah.
They might have their own programs, better commissions, more support.
Yeah.
That one-on-one kind of feel.
That's really good advice. I would not have thought about that. So we've got our niche. We found our partner company. Now we need that platform to, shout it from the rooftops, right?
You got it. But the platform, it really depends. What's your niche? What are you good at? If you're into detailed reviews, maybe a website's your thing.
Makes sense.
But if your niche is super visual, like fashion or travel, Instagram might be a better fit.
Oh.
Some people, they rock it on YouTube, tutorials, product demos. It's all about finding that right match.
And that takes us to content, which, that's a whole other world. What makes affiliate content really stand out? Like, what makes people actually click and buy?
It's all about value. You got to give something back to the audience.
Right.
So think detailed reviews, comparison articles, maybe even a fun video showing how to use the product. It's not just yelling, buy this. It's about helping people make informed decisions.
So storytelling. It's about authenticity.
Exactly.
It's not just a sales pitch.
Yeah.
Okay, but how do we get people to see our content? Like, how do we even get on their radar?
The $1,000,000 question. This is where SEO comes in. It's basically like a roadmap for search engines to find you. You're using the right keywords, making sure your website is structured well, getting those backlinks. And don't forget email marketing.
Oh, yeah, email.
It's a classic for a reason. You're building that list, connecting directly with people, sharing exclusive stuff. It's more personal.
So it's a long game. You're not just pushing a product, you're building trust, engaging with your audience.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Successful affiliate marketing, it's all about relationships. respond to comments, answer questions, have real conversations with your followers.
Right.
That's what builds trust, makes people more likely to listen to your recommendations.
And being transparent, right? Like being upfront about the affiliate thing.
Oh, absolutely. Transparency is key. You got to disclose those relationships. And there are FTC guidelines, legal stuff to keep in mind.
Yeah.
But honestly, being upfront about how you earn money, it actually makes you more trustworthy.
I think so too. And what about data? Like numbers, tracking all of that. How does that play into the whole thing?
Data is everything. It's how you figure out what's working, what's not. You track clicks, conversions, earnings, all of it.
Right.
See which products are resonating, which platforms are performing best. Then you adjust, optimize your strategies. Maybe you test different headlines, calls to action. Even tiny tweaks can make a huge difference.
This has been amazing. It's clear that affiliate marketing, it's so much more than just sticking a link on a website.
That's for sure.
It's a real mix of like strategy, creativity, and some good old-fashioned hard work.
You nailed it. And the best part, it's always evolving. So you got to keep learning, keep adapting. Don't be afraid to try different things, different niches, different platforms. Find what clicks for you.
Find what clicks. That's a good one. And don't worry, we've got a ton of resources linked in the show notes to help you on your journey.
Awesome.
So go out there, find your niche, start building that digital empire.
You got